I get this question all the time. Devin, what is the easiest way to spot a hidden bottleneck in your YouTube workflow when every step feels busy? The short answer is this. Stop tracking effort, start tracking waiting. Your real bottleneck is usually not the step that feels hardest. It is the step where work piles up before it, or the step that causes the next part of the pipeline to sit empty. Here's the fastest way to find it. Take your last 10 videos and list the stages: idea, script, record, edit, thumbnail, upload. Then for each video, mark where it waited the longest, not where you spent the most energy, where it sat. Now look for two patterns. First, where's the queue building? If 5 videos are waiting for scripts, scripting is probably the constraint. Second, what stage is starving the rest of the system? If editors keep having free time, editing is not the bottleneck, even if editing feels busy. That is the key rule. The bottleneck controls throughput, not stress. So don't ask, what feels chaotic? Ask what single step, if improved, would let more videos ship this month. Then fix only that step for 2 weeks. Add a better brief, a tighter handoff, or track stage aging in one place with Satura. After that, reassess, because the bottleneck usually moves. That's the simplest way to find the real constraint in an overloaded YouTube workflow.